Hello again. This is a tutorial for an app called Panel Legend from Snappy Apps Inc. It is a standalone app. As well, it is part of e-calc, Electrical Calc, and Electrical Calc USA. Today we're looking at the standalone, but it is almost identical to the other ones. The app is to make panel legends for electricians and print them out or export them. So when you start, you'll see this screen, which will allow you to put the height and the width of your panel legend in, and you'll be able to put it in inches or in centimeters. So let's say our panel legend is 8 inches tall and 4.5 inches wide. The next field is your number of circuits. We'll leave that at 42 for now, but you can adjust that to any number you like, unlimited. This is your starting circuit. As often when you have tandem panels, one of your legends might be, say, starting at 43, so it might be 43 to 84, whereas your first tandem panel would be the 1 to 42. So anyway, that's your starting circuit. Let's put that back to 1 for now. A and B on allows you for A and B circuit labeling for slimline and twin breakers. Turn that off for now. Single phase and three phase is just for your color coding. So when you turn your color coding on, it will show your colors for your phases. And a single phase, it'll just show single phase coloring. So we will leave that on for now. So now to get started, we'll start on our first panel. There's always one panel in the list, so you can just start on the panel that's there. We can give it a label. Let's say LP1, a lighting panel. You can type anything that you want in here. I usually type in the voltage and the current, the specs of the panel. So we'll leave that at that, 600 347 volt panel, 200 amp. Then you can just start typing in your circuits. So I don't know, say kitchen racks, whatever. Okay, so now to do a multi-gang one, so let's go here and say we have a AC unit. You simply click on the circuit number, and that will gang from the one below. And you can keep going and gang as many times as you want. To ungang, you click the last one, and that will bring it back up. There's a couple of restrictions here. If you click on any of the middle ones, they do nothing, and you can't gang to another gang circuit. So if this circuit's ganged down here and I start ganging this one, at this point it'll do nothing. You can't gang to that circuit that's already ganged. So that'll allow you to put some three-phase loads in, and some two-pole loads in, anything you want. You can scroll this down and complete your panel legend to how you desire. When you're done that panel, you can add a new panel with the new panel button and start on another panel. RPP2, and another one, and as many as you want. Let's make this one an emergency panel. Call it EM3. And all your panels will be managed and saved. They're managed from the panel list. You just click on the panel name down here and all your panels will come up, and you can go back to any panel you want. So here's our first panel. To delete a panel, you just select the panel you want to delete and hit delete. Imagine that. And there's the two panels now. Okay, so once you got your panel done the way you want it, you can click on your menu. Reset will reset the whole app. It's kind of a given, I guess. Your next option is to email as PDF. This will bundle just the panel legend part here into a PDF with your proper dimensions and attach it to an email. So you can email it to yourself or to someone back at the office for printing, if that's your preferred method. The next method is email as a CSV. This is a comma-separated value file that will be attached to the email. This will allow you to bring it into a spreadsheet that you might already have formatted to the way you like it. Unfortunately, your measurements won't go in. There's no provisions for column widths in a CSV file, so it'll just come in whatever widths you already have in that spreadsheet. Your next option is to print. This will require you to have an AirPrint printer, print capabilities from your device, of course. And when you click that, it will bring up the print dialog and allow you to print right from your device. Help will just bring up a help dialog. And of course, the video tutorial will bring up what you're watching right now, the video tutorial. Okay, let's get out of here. Now in Panel Legend, the standalone app, you also have settings for global settings. You won't find this in e-calc or e-calc USA because they're already set to Canada and USA. But in the global one, you'll be able to pull up color coding for other countries. There's also printing capabilities allowing you to scale and to set margins and font sizes. We're going to be bringing these options to e-calc and e-calc USA, but they are not there yet. And so that's about it. Make panel legends, print them, make them nice. We'll see you next time.